Hello! Today I will show you this dual lens USB-C type 3 meter long endoscope camera. The link to the endoscope is in the video description. As you can see, the package for endoscope of this price range is quite simple. This endoscope is equipped with two cameras, one in the front and one on the side. The end of the cord, which has a USB-C type jack, is quite flexible, but the rest of the cord, which is in the endoscope part, it is quite robust cord. As a bonus, it also comes with two accessories, a magnetic tip to pull out metal objects and a hook to pull something out. To start using this endoscope, you need to download the Aliexpress app. You can find it on Google Play or use the QR code. Once the app is downloaded, connect the endoscope USB cord to a power bank or phone. This cable is only used for power, not for data connection. The data connection is via a wireless connection, so turn on the Wi-Fi on your device and find any SOC Wi-Fi access point and connect to it. Then press the camera symbol in the app and the endoscope will turn on. You're ready to do your tasks. I'm impressed about the quality from such a small device. You can also turn on recording mode in the app, as well as adjust the brightness and a few other options. Finally, I have the possibility to find the rubber ball that the children lost, as well as to inspect the kitchen extractor. I also have the opportunity to inspect my nose and teeth. The best result could be given by using such an endoscope with a tablet or laptop, as the screen on a phone is a little too small to see everything. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below this video, but I am very satisfied with this endoscope.